Right now, as you're watching this video, Google knows where you are. It knows what you searched this morning, it knows what websites you visited last night, it has your voice recording stored, your location history saved, and a profile built on you that knows you better than most people in your life. And the crazy part? Over 2 billion people just accept this as normal. But what if I told you that you could break free from all of this using 5 completely free tools? No tech skills needed, no complicated setups, just 5 simple switches and Google loses its grip on you. And make sure you stick around for tool number 5 because that one locks everything together and makes your entire internet connection invisible. Let's get into it. You probably open Google Chrome every single day without thinking twice about it. But Chrome is not just a browser, it is a data collection machine. Every website you visit, every click, every search, all of that goes straight back to Google. You are browsing the internet with Google watching your every move. The fix is Brave Browser. It is free, open source, and blocks ads and trackers the second you open it. No extensions needed, no settings to configure, and because it runs on Chromium, all your Chrome extensions work perfectly on Brave. You are not losing anything, you're just gaining your privacy back. Here is how to set it up. What you want to do is go to brave.com. You will see a download button right on the home page. Click on it, run the installer, and Brave will be ready in about a minute. Once it opens, you will see a shield icon in the address bar. Click on that and it shows you exactly how many trackers and ads are being blocked in real time. You did not have to touch a single setting. If you want extra privacy, open the menu in the top right and you will find the option to open a private window with Tor. This routes your traffic through multiple servers, so nobody can trace it back to you. That is it. You're already browsing more privately than most people on the internet. And by the way, if you are into privacy and security and want to take things even further, I made a video on how to run Kali Linux on dual boot with Windows. Kali is one of the most powerful security and penetration testing operating systems out there. If that sounds interesting, I will leave that video in the top right corner. I'll go check it out after this one. You probably send emails through Gmail every single day. Personal stuff, bank statements, medical information, all of it goes through Google's servers. And what most people do not know is that Google scans your emails to understand your habits, your purchases, and your relationship. All of that feeds into your advertising profile. The alternative is Proton Mail. It is a free end-to-end encrypted email service based in Switzerland. The encryption is so strong that even Proton themselves cannot read your emails. On the free plan, you get 500 megabytes of storage and 150 messages per day, which is more than enough for your important personal emails. Here is how to get started. What you want to do is go to proton.me and click on Create a Free Account. Pick your username, set a strong password, and you are in. Takes about 2 minutes. Once you are inside, the interface is clean and modern. It feels like a proper email client. Now do not try to move everything away from Gmail overnight. Start with your most sensitive accounts, banks, medical stuff, personal conversations. Move those first and work your way out gradually. You probably send hundreds of messages every week through WhatsApp or Google Messages. And while WhatsApp does have end-to-end encryption, it still collects your metadata. That means they know who you talk to, when you talk, how often, and your location. They do not need to read your messages to build a complete picture of your social life. Signal fixes this. It is the messaging app that Edward Snowden uses daily and that the European Commission told their staff to switch to. It encrypts everything and collects almost zero metadata. The only thing Signal stores is your phone number and the last time you connected. It is completely free with no ads, no trackers, and no premium tier. Here is how to set it up. What you want to do is go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Signal by Signal Foundation. Download it. Open it. Register with your phone number and set up your profile. Takes about a minute. Now go straight into Settings, then Privacy, and turn on disappearing messages. Set a default timer. I recommend 1 week for everyday conversations. This way, your messages automatically delete after that period. Signal works on Android, iPhone, and desktop. You probably search Google dozens of times a day. Random questions, health symptoms at 3 in the morning, things you would never say out loud. And Google stores every single one of those searches tied directly to your account. In some cases, that data has even been handed over to law enforcement. Now you have probably heard of DuckDuckGo, and it is decent. But Startpage does something smarter. It sends your search to Google anonymously, grabs the results, and shows them to you. You get Google quality results without Google knowing it was you. It also has an anonymous view feature that lets you visit websites through a proxy, so even the website does not know who you are. Here is how to set it up and pair it with Brave. What you want to do is open Brave and go to startpage.com. Try a few searches and you will notice the results are almost identical to Google because they are pulled directly from Google's index. Now to make Startpage your default search engine, go to the 3-dot menu in Brave, then Settings, then Search Engine. From there you can find Startpage in the list or add it manually through Manage Search Engines. Once that is done, every search you type in the address bar goes through Startpage automatically. Now you have Brave handling your browsing and Startpage handling your searches. That right there is a seriously powerful privacy combo. Alright, tool number 5. This is the one that ties everything together, so pay attention. Even with a private browser, encrypted email, secure messaging, and anonymous search, there is still one massive gap. Your internet service provider can still see every website you visit. They log your activity, and in many countries, they are legally required to store it. Some of them even sell it to advertisers. A VPN encrypts your entire internet connection, so your ISP sees nothing but scrambled data. But here is the problem. Most free VPNs are garbage. They make money by selling your data, which defeats the entire purpose. Proton VPN is different. Same Swiss team behind Proton Mail, same privacy laws. And their free plan has no data caps, no ads, and no logs. You can use it all day, every day, without being cut off. You get servers in 5 countries, and the speeds are solid for everyday browsing and streaming. Here is how to get it running. What you want to do is go to protonvpn.com and click Get Proton VPN Free. If you already created a Proton account for Proton Mail, just sign in with the same account. One account works across all their services, which makes things simple. Download the app for your device. They have apps for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iPhone. Open the app, sign in, and you will see a map with server locations. Click on any free server and hit connect. Now go into settings and find the kill switch option. Turn it on. What this does is if your VPN connection ever drops, the kill switch blocks all internet traffic immediately, so your real IP address never gets exposed. It is a small setting, but it makes a huge difference. And just like that, your ISP has no idea what you're doing online. Leave it running in the background and let it do its job. So here's a quick recap. 5 completely free tools to de-Google your life. Brave browser, private browsing without the tracking, Proton Mail, encrypted email that nobody can read, Signal, messaging that even cybersecurity experts trust, Startpage, Google results without Google knowing, and Proton VPN, your entire connection encrypted and invisible, all free, about 30 minutes to set up. That is it. Privacy is not about having something to hide. It is about having the right to choose what you share and who you share it with. Right now, Google is making that choice for you. These 5 tools put that choice back in your hands. If this video helped you out, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay private,